Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the process of payment collection with YouGoBuddy app. YouGoBuddy app is a utility meter reading and billing app used for door-to-door meter reading, bill distribution, payment collection and much more. So let's get started. But before payment collection, you must have consumers assigned. So just ask your supervisor to do so. Just open the app. You will see a splash screen for 2 or 3 seconds. Here the dashboard where all your assigned work and done work will appear. Just click the main menu. Before doing any work, you have to download the list. Click download button. Check all safety instructions and click I agree button. All your work assigned will download it in the app. It's done. Go back to the main menu. Click payment collection. Here all your assigned work will appear. For payment collection, you can search the consumer by their account ID or their name. I am searching with account ID. Click the account. You will see the details like due date, due amount, account ID, consumer name, etc. Here the main thing is payment mode, cash, check and already paid. In case of cash payment, you just have to select cash, enter amount and submit. Like I am doing 96580. Just proceed. Check all the details. It's correct. Submit. In case of printing the receipt, click print receipt and receipt will be printed on the Bluetooth printer. Otherwise, go to the payment list again. Now with another consumer, check payment. In case of check payment, you have to enter amount, check number, check date and bank name. Just I'm entering the amount, check number, for example 123456, check date 9, bank State Bank of India. Here you have to upload the image of check provided by the consumer. You can click by camera or upload by gallery. I'm just uploading a random image. You will see the clicked image here and proceed. Submitted data will appear here. You can see the image. Close. If all data is correct, then submit. Move to the payment list again. Now again with another consumer, already paid payment method. Here if any consumer has already paid the amount through online payment method or counter payment, just select the already paid option. You have to mention the remark here like online method. That's it. Proceed. Submit. If you want to see the submitted consumers detail, here it is. You can filter it by clicking filter icon, action visited, apply. Here it is. You can print the receipt again or go back. You can also print the summary of all your collection through print receipt button here. I don't need this time, so just go back. There is no pending. Now we are on dashboard where all our collection amount will appear. Like here collection, cash collection amount, it's here, check collection, it's here, and number of consumers will appear here. Already paid will not appear here. It will be added in this amount. Just click sync out button, and all your data will be uploaded to the server. That's all for today. In case of any query or issue, do let me know in the comment section below and stay tuned for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.